Do you love handcraft items?
Yeah, my accessories are all handmade.
What handcraft item do you like?
Well, I've got many items, but I really fall in love with my bamboo handbag.
Where did you buy it?
I bought it on a trip to the countryside. People make handcrafts from bamboo there.
Why do you like it?
Because it's unique. I travel quite a lot, but can hardly find a similar one.
What is it made of?
It's made of 100% bamboo.
What does it look like?
Being made of traditional material, it looks trendy though. My handcraft bag has A4 paper size, which is large enough to carry a bunch of stuff. Makeup things, a wallet, and tissues.
How is it made?
Luckily, I had a chance to see how it is made. People spent the whole day knitting hundreds of small bamboo fibers together to make one bag.
Is it easy to make?
Nope. I'm not really skillful and patient, so handcrafts seem super hard for me.
What is special about it?
The material itself is what makes it special. It's eco-friendly as well.
Does it remind you of something?
Yep, it reminds me of the peaceful and quiet atmosphere of the countryside where I visited. Are you a big fan of fashion? Yes, I am. I believe every girl is crazy about fashion. What style do you choose to wear? Well, my favorite piece of clothing is a dress. Depending on the situation, I choose a formal or informal dress to wear. Do you enjoy shopping for clothes? Yes, I'm a shopaholic, actually. Is there any fashion icon you want to wear the same clothes? Yes, I admire Taylor Swift and wish to wear clothes like her. Do you create your own fashion style? No, I'm not a fashionista. So most of the time, I just follow the fashion trend. Do you prefer vintage or modern style? Why? Honestly, I love the vintage style. Wearing classic clothes makes me feel like I'm special. Have you ever attended any fashion show? Not in real life. I just watch them on TV. What do people think about your fashion style? I don't know exactly, and I don't care much about it. I just wear what makes me comfortable and confident. Are you going to change your fashion style in the future? Well, I can't tell. Maybe fashion is changeable, and I am too. Is fashion important to people? Yes, in my opinion. Fashion can partly reveal who you are. What's your favorite item of jewelry? Well, I have quite a lot of ornaments, but my favorite one is a necklace.
When did you buy it?
I don't remember exactly when, but I guess I bought it years ago. What's it made of? It's made of silver.
How does it look?
It looks gorgeous with a ruby clover-shaped pendant.
Why do you like it?
I believe it can bring me good luck in everything I do. What's special about it? I love the vintage style of my necklace. It really goes with my classic dresses. Does it remind you of something? Yes, I spent my first month's salary buying it. So the necklace encourages me to work hard and earn more money every day. How much did it cost? Around $400, if I'm not mistaken. Do you usually wear it? Yes, I just wear it all the time. I'll be missing it if I don't see it. What's your favorite cosmetic item? My favorite cosmetic item is a cherry red lipstick. When did you buy it? I bought it in a local cosmetic shop. How often do you use it? Almost every day. I sometimes change the color. How did it change your physical appearance? Oh, at first I was hesitant to try because I thought it wouldn't match my skin undertone. But when putting it on, the cherry red color did make me more charming and gorgeous. Is it expensive? Nope. It is under $21 only. Is the brand name famous? Yes, I think. MAC is well known all around the world. MAC lipstick is an iconic product of the producer. How important are cosmetics according to you? Well, frankly, cosmetics are really important to women, although I agree that true beauty does come from inside. Is it important to have a good-looking appearance? Sure. You will be given more opportunities if you're good-looking. Are cosmetics harmful? Yes, I guess. Some toxic chemicals in cosmetics may cause skin cancer. Do you think beauty products are a waste of money? Not really, as for me. I just spend my saving money on cosmetics.
What indoor game do you like to play? I'm fond of playing bowling. When did you start playing it? I've just started bowling. It's been 3 weeks so far. What do you play with it? Most of the time, I play with my friends when we hang out together. Sometimes I also go bowling with my cousins. Where do you play? At a nearby shopping mall. There is an entertainment area where people can play various games. Is it easy to play? Yes, quite easy. The bowler has to knock down as many pins as possible, ideally all of them. Are you usually the winner? Nope, because I'm just a beginner. My friends are much more experienced in playing it. Why do you like it? Well, going bowling is quite enjoyable. I love it when my friends cheer me up. Is it popular in your country? Yes, people play bowling almost everywhere. There are nearly 3,000 bowling centers in my country. What are other indoor games in your country? There are many such as board games, table tennis, squash, boxing, and so on.